In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of your emails in a chain to newest on top in Gmail. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open up your Gmail account, which you can easily do by navigating to the Gmail website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials when prompted. Now that you're in your inbox, take a glance at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a settings icon that looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options that let you customize the look and feel of your Gmail account. Once you see this menu, keep an eye out for a section labeled Email Threading. In this area, you'll find an option called Conversation View. The Conversation View feature is what groups your emails together in a chain, showing the oldest messages first. To change this format, you need to uncheck the box next to Conversation View. Once you uncheck it, your emails will no longer be grouped by conversation, allowing you to view and manage each message on its own. Once you've disabled the Conversation View, it's important to reload your Gmail page to see the changes in action. You can do this by clicking the Reload button or simply refreshing the page with your browser's Reload function. Refreshing the page is crucial as it ensures that your settings changes are fully implemented. If you're in the mood for exploring, there's also an option to click on See All Settings from that initial drop-down menu you accessed. This will take you to the Comprehensive Settings menu. Here, navigate over to the General tab, and you'll find the Conversation View setting once more. Just turn it off by selecting Conversation View Off. After making these changes, don't forget to save them by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. If you're someone who likes to take an alternative approach or if you prefer having a bit more control over your email threading, there's another solution you can try. This involves using a browser extension available from the Chrome Web Store. Start by clicking on the Google Apps icon and then selecting the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar of the Web Store, type in Conversation Thread Reversal for Gmail by CloudHQ. This handy browser extension enables Gmail users to easily reverse the order of their email threads. Just click on Add to Chrome, followed by Add Extension, to incorporate it into your browser. Once the extension is installed, you might want to pin it to your browser for convenient access. With either method, you now have the capability to arrange your emails in a chain from the newest to the oldest. This adjustment will give you a fresh view of your inbox, making it easier to follow ongoing conversations and ensuring the latest messages are always at the forefront. Enjoy having a more organized email experience.